In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode on Etoro. If you've been spending a lot of time investing and trading using Etoro's platform, you might find that switching to dark mode helps reduce eye strain, particularly in dim light environments. It can also give your screen a sleek and modern look. So, without further ado, let's dive into the steps. First, you need to head over to the Etoro platform. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and visiting Etoro's official website. Once there, the first thing you'll want to do if you're not already logged in is click on the Login button. You'll find it in the upper right corner of the web page. Go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you type your username and password carefully to avoid any login issues. Once successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the Etoro homepage. From here, direct your attention to the main navigation menu, where you'll need to find and click on Settings. This option usually resides towards the bottom of the menu. It's not always visible up front, so you might have to scroll a little. In the Settings menu, you'll see various options that allow you to customize different aspects of your account. Here, you'll want to look for and click on the Display tab. This selection allows you to alter how the interface looks to match your personal preference. Within the display settings, there is a section for themes. Click on Themes to get access to different visual modes that Etoro offers. This is where you can make a significant change to how your entire platform looks. Now that you're inside the Themes section, you'll notice that there are typically a couple of options available, such as light or dark mode. Since we're focusing on giving your screen a darker hue, you'll want to find the option labeled Dark. Clicking on this will immediately apply the dark mode theme to your Etoro interface. And there you have it. You've successfully switched to Etoro's dark mode. This setting can help provide a comfortable visual experience while working on your trades, especially during nighttime or in low light conditions. Remember, you can always switch back to light mode by following these same steps if you find it doesn't suit your needs as expected. So, take a moment to explore and enjoy the new look of your Etoro platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on navigating the digital world. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!